The other day I was thinking that, and this may be accurate, is my opinion, that all the millennium babies need therapy. I feel like we were so traumatized. We need therapy. Some of us are still dealing with trauma from a childhood, a trauma of what somebody said to us. See, let me explain to you how generational trauma continues. Many families carry wound from the past, pain that was never addressed, anger that was never resolved, fear that was never understood. This experience shape how people parent their own children. What parents refuse to heal often become the burden their children carry. Children growing up feeling the weight of struggles they didn't create it in the first place. Do you know trauma can show up in your parenting style? Unhealed trauma affects how parents respond to children. Even me, I started therapy already. It can show up through our anger. Oh man. It can show up through our emotional distance, how we fear. It can show up through fear and overprotection. Man, I had to heal from that. Parents may repeat patterns they experienced growing up. That is when your trauma is speaking. Without healing, painful pattern continue in their family. Healing is important for us as a parent. Let's talk about why healing matters. Healing allows parents to respond with wisdom instead of pain. Healing helps parents to understand their emotion. Healing helps parents to break harmful circles. Children should not carry emotional burdens created by previous generation. That is unfair. Healthy parents create healthier environment for their children. How do we break the circle? Breaking generational trauma requires honesty. Some of us need to actually come to understand that we need help. We do need help. Parents must acknowledge their own wounds. Parents must take responsibility for their healing. Parents must choose new patterns for their families. Healing changes how parents speak. Healing changes how parents respond. Healing changes the emotion atmosphere at home. Let's build healthier legacy together. When parents choose healing, the entire family benefits from it. Children grow up in a healthier emotionally environment. They develop stronger confidence. They develop healthier relationships. They learn new patterns that they carry into the next generation. Healing today protects the future of the family. Unhealed pain spread across generations like a virus. But healing can change this story. Today, choose healing. Choose healing. Break this circle. Many of us, especially my generation, speak for many of us need to start seeing therapy from today. There are things that happen to a child that didn't heal from. I remember when the first time I had the therapy session, my therapist was like, "Why are you here?" I don't know, but I know there's so much in this head that needs to go if I want to raise safe children. And I'm not ashamed to say that I see therapy. Maybe you should see therapy. It will help you. When we choose healing, we break this circle. There should not be any reason why we're ashamed of therapy. We need help. Seeing a therapy does not make you weak. Because I know that's one of the things that we look at sometimes, that big people run away from seeing therapy. I think it's time for us to normalize seeing therapists because we need help. Many of us, you have so many trauma, brokenness, abuse, pain, struggle that we're carrying about, and we're carrying into parenthood, we carry into marriages. Seek help. It's okay. That means that you need it. And seek help. You will be glad you do. You will be glad you actually asked for help. You try it and thank me later.